I'm so excited, I can't even tell you. So, grab a utility knife. It's purple, kind of like the box. Thought that'd be kind of cool. So let's open this thing up and see what a demon looks like. You excited? Because I am. Let's see. Oh, this poor blade. What's Tree say? It's all right. Oh man. All right, well, now we got to get some pliers, so what's next? We need this tape. Jeez Louise. Necessary, for sure. This motor probably weighs 60 pounds or something crazy. Oh, Weehaw, German made, kick-ass stuff. As I can tell you, they did a great job packing this thing. It's very well protected, which makes it a pain in the ass to open. But I am excited because here's the cool part. Robbie and his buddies have the Guinness World Record for golf carts. Sweet. All right, more cardboard. More cardboard. Oh, I see motor. I see motor. Oh my God, look at this thing. God, that is just awesome. Looks like we got a few scratches on the front. No big deal there. Oh, look at that beautiful copper work right there. All the windings looking good. Yowzer, to get this masking tape off there. Ooh, and it's red. I don't know if you guys know this, but I love red stuff. My blender's red, the motorcycle's red. Red is just awesome. All right, let's set this down so I can lift this sucker out for you guys. I swear to God I lift weights. I promise I do. Oh my God. Oh. Holy shit, this thing is heavy. Toho, look at that sticker. Super cool. All right. Phone order. So they gave me my receipt. That was nice. Building us a demon. Handwritten there. Price. $780. A lot of money, I get it, but it's worth it. No, let's see if there's anything else in the box. But no. God, they can pack this thing really well. All right, that's it. Okay. So guys, still smells like paint. Very cool. Get this masking tape off of there. Oh, so excited. Look at this. So, let's take a look. Got a cool flame sticker. Gotta have those, right? Let's tip her over. All right, so let's get you guys a little better look here. So we've got dyno tested, PlumQuick motors, the world's fastest golf cart. Man, this thing is cool. All right, so on this side, we have the electrical components. So let's take a look. Said, oh, look at this. This is the fun warning right here. Ow. God, don't get your finger under that. A vehicle equipped with this motor will increase the speed of the vehicle so that it will not conform to the speed criteria standard for golf cart safety and performance requirements. Who cares about safety? Okay. So here's the other cool part is they give us on all of this. So we've got S1, S2, A1, and A2, and there's also some warnings on here. Do not over rev motor, do not stall the motor. Over rev and or stall will destroy the armature, void the warranty. We definitely don't want to do that. To change the rotation, switch S1 and S2 connections for series motors, switch F1. Man, okay. Don't let wire be in contact with handle when tightened. Okay, keep the wire off the handle. Got it, Robbie. Thank you very much. So guys, I am super excited about this thing. It's deep red. It looks demonish. I'm gonna go outside and hook this thing up to the cart, and we'll have to build some wires. I hope I can get to it today. I got a couple other projects I'm working on. As you can see, I got all my solar stuff in the back because the golf cart needs fuel, right? And that's where we're gonna get it, is the sun. But I'm just super pumped. These guys did great. Robbie, thank you again for building this for me. I know you guys are super backed up. Let's get it wired up and batteried up and hit the pedal and see what happens. All right guys, so we're out here in the garage. We're looking at this Demon motor. So one of the things I've had to do since I stripped this cart down so far, I had to figure out what kind of bolts to put in. So don't use this, do not. Let me repeat, this is not the bolt to put the motor in. What I had to figure out was what size this thread is. So I went through my random bucket of bolts out here in the garage till I found one that fit. We got to go to the store and get some good grade 8 hardware. But what we had to do was test the threads and see how deep they are. Then we'll have to do a quick measurement, but this bolt turned out to be the right thread, which is great. So now I know what to go get here. I'm about to take lunch and a little break. So I'm gonna go get some bolts here for this thing. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get grade 8 hardware because they go right through here. Basically they feed like so to hold the motor in place. And since it's the Demon, it's gonna take a lot of torque. So anyway, super excited. I'm gonna go grab those at lunch and we'll get this sucker mounted up. I'm glad I work out because this thing weighs more than my freaking kettlebell.